Meaning of James T Farrell.
James T Farrell.
James T Farrell.
James T Farrell.
James T Farrell. James T. Farrell was an American novelist, short story writer, and poet, best known for his naturalistic and gritty depiction of working-class life in Chicago during the 1930s. He is perhaps most famous for his Studs Lonergan trilogy, which follows the life of a young Irish-American from adolescence to early adulthood in the early 20th century. The trilogy consists of 3 novels, Young Lonergan, The Young Manhood of Studs Lonergan, and Judgment Day. Throughout his career, Farrell explored themes of social injustice and inequality, and his work was often critical of both capitalism and communism. He passed away in 1979.